Have you ever pondered the intricate web that fuels the ongoing Mexican drug war? It's a conflict that's far more complex than most realize, with deep-seated roots in history, politics, and economics. Today, we delve into the evolution of the Mexican drug war, tracing its origins to the present day. In the early 70s, the Mexican drug trade was a relatively local affair, with small-scale farmers cultivating marijuana and opium poppies. However, the scene dramatically shifted in the 80s with the rise of powerful cartels. These criminal organizations began to dominate the illicit drug trade, primarily trafficking cocaine, methamphetamine, heroin, and fentanyl into the United States and other markets. By the 90s, the drug trade had become a multi-billion-dollar industry. The cartels grew more ruthless, engaging in brutal confrontations with each other and with law enforcement. Assassinations, kidnappings, extortion, and intimidation tactics became commonplace, causing significant harm to civilians caught in the crossfire. Mexico's proximity to the United States, a major market for illegal drugs, has made it a strategic corridor for drug smuggling operations. The vast profits generated from the drug trade have incentivized cartels to continually vie for control over key trafficking routes, leading to a relentless cycle of violence and instability in certain regions of the country. Despite the Mexican government's attempts to combat drug-related violence through military deployment, law enforcement operations, and targeting cartel leaders, the drug war persists. Cartels adapt their tactics and maintain a strong grip on certain areas, perpetuating the cycle of violence and instability. The situation today remains complex and deeply entrenched. It's not just a law enforcement issue but also a socio-economic one. The drug trade provides employment for thousands in a country where jobs are scarce and poverty is widespread. Therefore, solving the Mexican drug war requires a multifaceted approach that addresses not only security measures but also socio-economic factors contributing to the persistence of drug-related violence in Mexico. In summary, the Mexican drug war evolved from a localized trade in the 70s to a brutal multi-billion-dollar industry controlled by powerful cartels. Despite government efforts, the cycle of violence and instability continues, fueled by the vast profits of the drug trade and deeply entrenched socio-economic factors. It's a complex issue that requires complex solutions, and understanding its history is the first step towards finding those solutions. As we move forward, the challenge lies in developing strategies that address the roots of the problem, rather than just its symptoms.
Watching, and we'll see you in the next video.